Hello, everyone. So today I picked a really interesting topic to me, and hopefully you'll find interesting as well. But for mass media, overall topic, I want to talk about Instagram, how Instagram negatively affects body image. And it's a highly saturated platform where there's an appearance of like perfect people with perfect skin and hair and all these different things. And it's really set the tone of what shapes beauty. There's an article that I read that was really interesting, and I'll share with you. It's from Time, and Billy Prego wrote it. He said the features within Instagram that cause teenage girls to develop negative feelings about their body image, which is very true because once you do see, perfection or what people perceive as that, they really can start not liking themselves. So that's something that I thought was really relevant. Instagram does put on a false appearance. They show the perfect sides of themselves. For example, perfect skin. They can do this through lighting. They can do this through makeup, when they don't have pimples that day, and, smoothing over their imperfections. They have, perfect hair, perfect clothes. They really show the best selves of them, which is, normal to want to put your best foot forward, but it's gotten so saturated that it's created this standard that is unrealistic. Also, talking about Instagram's false appearances, some ways that they do this is through camera angles. So sometimes they'll put the camera up higher where your eyes are bigger and your face becomes thinner. And that in itself creates a different appearance completely. And also filters help, cover up some imperfections that you might have. As you can see, this gentleman is a lower angle, and you can see that there are some, pimples and imperfections, and, technically that would be socially unacceptable to post that on social media platforms, and that could create some bullying if he did so. Instagram also has a lot of editing. As you can tell, the before seems more natural, but the after is completely saturated. It seems like a really cool place to be, but it's really unrealistic, and it's not true to what reality is. It's interesting because, once people do, or if they don't live up to the, perfect expectation of what is, acceptable, they can be bullied for those things, having braces or pimples or different things, and then they're, called all these ugly or disgusting and things like that, which is really unfortunate, considering it's completely normal. Another thing that can happen with all these high expectations is that people will see oh, there's this person with this beautiful body, and it can hit eating disorders or hyperactively exercising, which is also unhealthy. From the Illinois State University, there was an article written by Bella Fleps. She wrote, "The rise of social media urges in today's society can have many different effects on body image and their later development of eating disorders in many individuals. Research clearly shows that media exposure contributes to body dissatisfaction and disorder eating. Social media is unfortunately shaping our concept of beauty. With consistent exposure to images posted online, it is evident that there is a link to how individuals compare themselves and perceive their own body." And so some that can also hit mental health, where they're getting super depressed, and so it's really important to accept yourself. Here are my sources.